It's incredible that the guy made hundreds of surging ornaments with only simple materials. Friends who like it, please like and follow. Make one for your children to play with. First, prepare a few empty cans and a few solid cans. Then plant a circular mark on the bottom of the can, and then use an electric drill to drill a hole slightly larger than the steel ball. Then put the steel ball in to test, and you can see that the steel ball can fall through the hole normally. At the same time, draw a circle of markings at the bottom of the can. Then cut it with a utility knife, and then use scissors to trim along the line to the required height. You need to make 2 such accessories, and then prepare a plastic round tube with a diameter that can pass through the steel balls. Then prepare a small DC motor with gears and a leather case, and then assemble them. At the same time, open a rectangular hole on the side of the round tube. Pay attention to the operating details, then stick the round tube to the bottom of the can, and then take some rubber glue and fix the DC motor to the bottom of the can by rubbing it repeatedly, using this as the power source for the steel ball circulation, and then put the other Mark III holes on a can, and then drill small holes with an electric drill. At the same time, insert 3 pillars into the holes and fix them firmly with hot melt glue. Next, use a plastic plate to make a base with specific dimensions. I have marked the ones needed. Take a screenshot and save it. After the production is completed, spray blue paint on the surface and connect a power cord to the DC motor. Then pass the power cord through the stand and connect it to the base. At the same time, connect a switch controller and a battery. Turn on the switch and test that it can rotate normally. Then prepare some iron wire to make the steel ball slide. I have marked the ones needed. Take a screenshot and save it. After the production is completed, assemble the slide and the can. After the production is completed, fix an arc on the top to prevent the steel balls from falling here. An automatically circulating surging ornament is completed. Turn on the switch to test and put in the steel balls. You can see that the steel balls return to their original position immediately after passing through the slide. It is very fun, and as long as the power is uninterrupted, the steel balls will cycle infinitely. Isn't it amazing? Friends who like it, please remember to like, follow, and share. The next issue will be more exciting. Thank you for watching.